From Power Asia, we have white recessed light that we're going to be hooking up and showing you how to go about it. Check online for further details about the product. They come in a number of downlights and sizes. As we open up the box, we have lights, 6 of them. They're 4-inch lights. They have snap-ons, and they have the boxes that you could change the Kelvin by the switch. Disconnect the box, and we're ready to install. We're going to show you how to do that. You're given a paper template to cut out. With an optional drill bit, circular saw cutter, reset hole cutter, you cut out a hole. Draw your circle, cut your hole out, take a recessed light, slide it through, spread the clip on both sides, and slide up and lock into place. An optional connector, we knock out the hole on the side, take off the nut, slide on. With your Romex cable, measure and cut and connect all 6 lights. With the quick connect, connect your ground, your neutral, your load. We have our box for connecting our leads. Close up, lock into place, connect our plug and secure it down and place back on. We're ready to hook up the lights. We are on the lowest Kelvin. This is 850 lumens, 2700 Kelvin, 50,000 hours of LED life. We're going to be switching over from 2700 to 3000 Kelvin. And we're going to increase the Kelvin levels. They are 10-watt LED lights. We are on 6000 Kelvin. Place the lights up anywhere imaginable. Your drop ceiling. 4-inch recessed lights. Could be fill-ins, living rooms, hallways, bathrooms, and more. Power Asia. With the frosted plastic, recessed 4-inch lights, and a switch to change from 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, and the quick connects. Romex connectors, switches are optional for your lighting needs. I hope you enjoy your product. From Power Asia, 4-inch reset lights.